I have actually what you call it, as you can see, I've actually have the PNG file, right? A drawing that you want. You can even what you call it, you can even search online something like, to make it more easier, you can even type something like a image of SVG file. And then looking at the image, you can actually choose whatever files that you want, okay? Whatever drawing that you want. Okay, you can even have like free image of SVG file. Okay, and you can actually choose whatever. This is actually all the drawing that you can actually cut, or you can copy or transfer or import to your Tinkercad drawing. Okay, now, so we already have your image online convert. So what we're going to do, I'm going to convert my file that I've shown you just now into an SVG file. So I'm going to choose the file. So the file is just now in a lesson plan. I put it under term 2 automata drawing. So this is the flying bird, the PNG file. All right, I'm going to choose that one, or maybe something different like skeleton. Nah,
I can't see your screen. Sorry,
I'm just going to finish the flying bird anyway. So open it, right? So what will happen? This particular software will convert. So this is my file that I have upload, flyingbird.png. So I'm going to start conversion. So it will start to convert into an SVG file. All right. So once it's converted, okay, then download the file. So that's done over there, flying bird, right? So check where it is saved. So actually it's saved in my local C. Do not want that, so I'm going to cut it. I'm going to transfer it to my other folder, automata drawing. I'm just going to paste it. So it's going to be here. Okay, now, so this is now in SVG file. Okay, now, so the next step, go over to your drawing, right? So load your CAM file that you have drawn. Then what you're going to do next is actually going to import the SVG drawing. So you're going to import, choose a file. So the file is a flying bird. Open it, and in Artboard you're going to import it. And now there you have your bird over there, right? The bird drawing. So next step, you're going to put the bird on top of your follower. You can actually click on the bird image, and we can raise it up. Okay, and we can even push it, centralize it. Doesn't matter if it's transparent, because what I'm going to show you why it's supposed to be transparent is better when you are doing your laser cut later on, right? So this is actually how you actually going to import your drawing. Okay, so this is the more faster way for you to do your profile drawing. You can even do anything. For example, you can even convert, let's say, another image that I want to convert. I can try further convert your file. Okay, you can convert another file to SVG. So I'm going to do just another one, another demo. I'm going to choose another file. Let's say a skeleton. I haven't tried this one. Hopefully it works. Wait, uploading. Yep. Okay. Done. Start conversion. It's quite fast actually to convert it. So once I convert, download it again, and then I'm just going to check it inside. I'm going to cut. I'm going to put it in my school folder. right, and paste it. Okay, so this is another SVG file, the skeleton file. So let's see what happens if I actually download the skeleton file. Let's say if I just want to import another drawing, skeleton, open it up, import. Let's see what the skeleton looks like. Alright, so you have another skeleton, right? So this is another profile, and you can even, what you call it, change the size of the skeleton if you want to. Okay, I mean whatever drawing that you have, and you can even rotate it to whatever angle that you want. Okay, so it's up to you guys, what you call it, to choose what kind of profile you have. Now, once you have this, finish it up. So you have actually completed your drawing. So once you come back to class next week, right? For example, you have a drawing of a skeleton or whatever. Now, I've actually drawn a butterfly. Okay, so this is a laser cut that we have in our school. So what we're going to do, what you call it, once you have your drawing, you're going to transfer that drawing to the laser cut machine and just draw a sketch on the. So this is this is actually a plyboard, a 5mm plyboard, right? It will take quite a while actually to cut through the cardboard. So the best thing is, what you call it, you're going to use the laser cut. We're going to, because I'm cutting it, it's quite slow. If I am not cutting it, just to draw it, it will just take about 2 minutes to draw the whole butterfly. So when we have, what you call it, a profile on this butterfly on your plywood, we can just, what you call it, using a scroll saw, which I'm going to show you next week how to use the scroll saw and cut the profile. Okay, you can even, what you call it, if you want to go further, for those of you who have finished, you can even, what you call it, get some free cut off laser cut. Okay, if you want to make a 3D laser cut, these are some of the free things that you can actually cut. Okay. And then you can make a box or whatever we did, you know, something that's not a good example. Yeah, I think there's one on Instructable. Yeah, something like that, or a flying bird. No, not over here. Anyway, so anyway, I'm going to form my image first and stop the recording. Press